Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today, I am going to teach you how to connect MetaMask to DEXTools, so be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to connect MetaMask to DEXTools. Step 1. Install MetaMask. Ensure you have the MetaMask wallet installed as a browser extension or mobile app. Step 2. Log in to MetaMask. Open MetaMask and log in with your wallet credentials. Step 3. Visit DEXTools. Navigate to the official DEXTools website, https://www.dextools.io in your browser. Step 4. Connect Wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button, typically located at the top right of the DEXTools interface. Step 5. Select MetaMask. From the wallet options, choose MetaMask. Step 6. Authorize connection. MetaMask will prompt you to approve the connection. Review the permissions and click Connect. Step 7. Access DEXTools. Features. Once connected, you can access DEXTools analytics, charts, and trading features. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to connect MetaMask to DEXTools. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.